Hello to all my students. Now we are going for the second lecture of LDE. Now, in the last lecture, I have told you that your CF depends on your root. Now, what is root? Now, consider this equation, that is d square minus 4 equals to 0. Root means finding the value of d such that it will satisfy this equation. Now, answer of this question is d is equals to minus 2 comma 2. So if I substitute d is equals to minus 2 in this equation, minus 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Hence this equation is satisfied. And now d equals to 2. If I substitute d equals to 2 here, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. Hence this equation is also satisfied. Now your CF depends on your roots. Now to find the roots, there are some formulas which we have to consider now. Now consider the first formula, that is d square minus a square is equals to d plus a multiplied by d minus a. So these are the factors for that, and a is any constant. We'll solve problems on this later. Considering d square plus a square, and answer is d plus ai into d minus ai, where I is imaginary number whose root is minus 1. Now consider a polynomial in the form ad square plus bd plus c is equals to 0. Here no direct formula can be applied. So direct formula in this type of polynomial cannot be applied. Hence we have to find roots by using this formula. D is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So for second degree polynomial, we are going to use these three formulas. Now considering a cubic equation or cubic polynomial, so first formula is d cube minus a cube becomes d minus a d square plus ad plus d square. And for d cube plus a cube is d plus a d square minus ad plus a square. Now consider an example. Suppose find the root for the following. So d square minus 4 equals to 0. Now I can write this 4 as 2 square, right? So applying d square minus a square formula, it will become d plus a into d minus a. So using this formula, d square minus 2 square becomes d plus 2 into d minus 2. Therefore d is equals to minus 2 and d is equals to plus 2 will be the answer of this question. Hence we can say that for this equation the roots are d is equals to minus 2 and 2. One thing I have to clear here, that highest degree म्हणजे तुमच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये जी हायेस्ट डिग्री असेल तेवढे तुमचे रूट्स येणार आहेत. सपोज इथे डी क्यूब असतं, तुमचे 3 रूट आले असते. डी रेस टू 4 असतं तर 4 रूट आले असते. डी रेस टू 6 असतं तर 6 रूट आले असते. सो दॅट यू हॅव टू रिमेंबर ऑलवेज. नाउ कन्सिडर नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम, दॅट इज डी स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. Now I can write this 4 as 2 square. So d square plus 2 square is equals to 0. Using formula d square plus a square is equals to d plus ai into d minus ai. It becomes d is equals to 2i comma minus 2i. Now consider this problem, very important. 2d square plus 5d minus 4 is equals to 0. So no direct formula is available for this. Hence compare this equation with ad square plus bd plus c, where a becomes 2, b becomes 5. Remember, we have to take these values along with their signs. Therefore c becomes minus 4. So use formula d is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now it becomes minus 5 plus or minus under root of 25 minus, put bracket, 4 into 2 into minus 4. So minus minus gets plus. So hence this is your final answer. as the highest degree term is 2, therefore we have 2 roots over here. In the next lecture or next video we will consider a cubic polynomial. Thank you.